Crown Zenith Morpeko V-Union with a special guest, Niles. Let's see what we can get here. Love these playmats. You can set your stuff down on a hard surface without scratching them. Super important. We got the big card for the kitty and 5 packs of Crown Zenith. Let's get some pulls. Peep the card, got a hit. Pet the kitty, not today. Pikachu illustration rare. One of my favorite cards from the whole set. That's awesome. Hopefully we can keep that luck going in our next pack. Junk. Next pack. And a Snorlax, and one of the lamest illustrations I've seen at that. Let's see if we can get something a little better here. Pangoro? Come on. Nice. Last pack. Here we go. Tauros, that's tough. But hey, we got the Pikachu. That's amazing. And we always get our promo cards. Can't take that away from us. 4 more Morpeko V-Union cards. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like. Leave a follow.